guys, it's like Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Isuzu D-Max, stock number 6731. It's ran from the 5th 2012 to the 5th 2014. It's a 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. So 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch fat pillow mag tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch fat pillow mag tyre. Left hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch fat pillow mag tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door 2 dents. Right front guard with snorkel. Right front 17-inch fat pillow mag tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Back to 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.